Hello and welcome to Crewe Audi, my name's Jay. Today I'm looking at the Previews Audi A1 Sportback Technik 30 TFSI. As part of our preview scheme, comes a minimum 12 months manufacturer warranty and 12 months roadside assistance. I will now begin my 360 tour of this vehicle. Moving to the front of the car, the LED headlights which create great visibility on all road conditions. And as we step out, we can really appreciate that shell white solid finish. Moving on to the wheels now, these do come fitted with a 15-inch 5-arm style design alloys which really add the elegant look to the exterior of this vehicle. As we look up with the heated and power folding door mirrors, and as we step out you can really see it works well together and gives this Audi that extra look out on the road. I will now take you to the rear interior and show an offer for the rear passengers. Straight away we can see we can fit up to 3 passengers, with 2 isofins in the outer seats and plenty of legroom available for any passengers on board. As we step out, just to let you appreciate the look of your new A1 Sportback, and I will now show you how much space we have within the boot. Straight away, we can have plenty of space for any requirements you may have, as per your shopping luggage, maybe even a pram, and if any additional space is required, the back seats can also be dropped. As we step out, it's a manual closing boot, and I will now walk to the front of the car for the first time and show an offer for the driver and the passenger. Straight away with our leather multifunction steering wheel, with the beautiful inlays continuing throughout the dashboard, and as we move on now, the Audi seats with the adjustable headrests. Moving down to the side of the seat, we do have your multi-point adjustment height adjustment for your needs and comfort on any journey. As we step out now, thank you for taking a 360 tour of this Audi A1 Sportback Technik with me. I will now take you inside to discuss the functions of the technology available on this model. As standard with your window and your mirrors with heated and power folding door mirrors as well. Your automatic headlights with front and rear fog lights if required for any journey. Your leather multifunction steering wheel with turn and volume adjustment on the right. And on the left hand side, have a choice of views for your Audi Virtual cockpit. This can set lights for connecting your telephone, a Bluetooth device or general vehicle data, and can all be decided by a preferred view. As we move down, with the cruise control, it's ideal for those longer motorway journeys. Moving over now to a multimedia interface, starting off first, we have radio for your favourite DAB and FM stations on the go no matter where you are. You can also favourite your station and find the last station on as well. Media can be connected via Bluetooth through a variety of sources, including your phone, Tinder or USB device, depending on what you have on you at the time. Telephone for them phone calls or text messages. This side is connected to your steering wheel, not required to take your eyes fully off the road. Phone apps use Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, to use for Apple Music and Spotify. Other apps are also available if required. Car settings can be changed to your desired preference. And general settings around the vehicle which can be changed as and when it is needed. As we move down, we have the climate control which can all be adjusted as and when it is required throughout the vehicle. Moving down, we have your 2 USB ports which add in case you need to charge your phone at any journey. Your volume adjustment with your manual gearbox, your 2 cup holders with your parking brake, and finally a little bit of storage to store your phone, your wallet or anything else on any journey. Thank you for taking time to use Audi A1 Sportback Technik with me. To take this car for a test drive or to inquire about a personalised finance quote, please call us now on 01270 864 084. We look forward to selling this car to you soon.